Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Dana. I was born and raised in Kentucky in the United States, but now I live in Japan. I make videos to help you learn English. In this series, I will teach you how to explain Japanese culture and words in English. If you have friends or coworkers from other countries, this video will be very helpful. Let's get started. Today's topic is explaining the Japanese New Year holiday in English. We will learn how to say お正月、初詣、お年玉 and 年賀状. Let's go. First, let's talk about the word お正月. In English, we say the New Year holiday. The New Year holiday. Be careful. If you just say the New Year, that means the whole year. So, the New Year will be January 2026 to December 2026. The New Year holiday means the period from December 31st to January 3rd. So, this is the correct phrase. By the way, what about 大晦日 and 元旦? 大晦日 in English is New Year's Eve. Eve means the day before. 元旦 is New Year's Day. That is also why we say Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Christmas Eve is the day before Christmas, and Christmas Day is December 25th. Now, let's talk about 初詣. This is a popular activity during the New Year holiday in Japan. It is the first visit to a shrine or temple. Many people go between New Year's Eve and January 3rd. But it is very crowded on those days. So some people wait and go later. When you visit a shrine or temple, you share your gratitude for the previous year and your wishes for the next year. You walk up to the offering box in front of the shrine or temple and throw in some coins. Then you bow and sometimes clap, depending on if it is a shrine or temple. While you bow, you make your wish. Usually there are many street vendors selling food and drinks. People may drink beer or enjoy snacks with their friends and family. There is a lively, fun atmosphere. Next, let's try to explain お年玉. This is money given to children during the New Year holiday. Usually it is given to children up to high school age. Many families stop giving their children money after they turn 18. However, this depends on the family. The amount of money also depends on the family. But there are some general rules. For very young children, parents give them between 1,000 and 3,000 yen. As the children get older, the amount of money increases. High schoolers may receive around 10,000 yen. The money is given in a special envelope. The design may be cute or simple, and usually has red and white colors. This tradition helps children learn the value of money and to show gratitude to their elders. Last, let's go to 年賀状. In English, we say New Year's greeting card. These cards are sent out to family, friends, coworkers, business partners, etc. They contain a short message for the other person, like Happy New Year. You should make sure they are delivered by January 7th. The cards are customized by the sender. Some people include a family picture, but some people prefer just a simple design. This culture is one way to maintain good relationships with business partners or someone who has supported you. It is about showing respect and gratitude to the other party. That is all for today's video. Now you can explain Japanese New Year traditions to English speakers. Thank you for watching. See you next time.